YouTube, welcome back to a new video. And if you guys can see on my screen, right here I have a thumbnail. Fexlin, he is a friend of mine, and he's also a Roblox YouTuber. He does racing content. I want you guys to go check him out in the description below. This is a thumbnail he's working on, and he wants me to fix it. And he sent me the file, and I'm going to try my best to fix it and make it look a lot better. First things first, I want to make the background more interesting, so I'm gonna go vibrance. I'm gonna turn up the saturation as well as bring an exposure. Boom. And he's got the car right here. So, alright, let's go fix this little outer glow. And also inner glow here. Let's make this white and overlay. Go. It's nice. And for his outer glow, let's also fix this. What do you got going on here? Alright, so outer glow. What else? Alright, so he's got this little vignette effect, which I think would be better if it was like this instead. You know what I mean? And I'm also going to make a new one for him. Let's go for this. There we go. That is much better. Just like that. Could also erase over here to ensure this is clear. Alright. There we go. And I also want to add a nice drop shadow to the car. Just like that. Make this look a lot better. There we go. Next, I'm going to put his name. And I'm going to copy his little text right here. Excellent. Alright. Now I'm gonna add a little trophy icon right here. Alright. And I'm just gonna put #1 spot, which is very rare for him actually, but I will support this idea. Alright, anyways, add this little black box here, make it look clean. Go, very nice. And I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna copy it, make it a smart object, so I can go perspective. This is a cool little effect. There we go. I like that. You can also place this behind the car. Right here is fine. Yeah. And maybe I could also add a drop shadow to this. Just make it stand out a little bit more. Something like this. There we go. And also maybe an outer glow on screen. Actually looks really nice. Go for a nice blue color. Actually, let's go for green. That's pretty nice. What else can we add? Let's fix his arrow. I don't like how it looks. Let's go for that. And matter of fact, I'm gonna add a new glow here too. So let's go for something like this. Let's go for green. To support the idea that he is winning the race. And add a new one for this little background piece too. Alright, here we go. Let's go for screen. Perfect. That was really nice to me. Racing with viewers. Let's make this text a bit more interesting. I think racing, we could change the color to orange to make it more exciting. There we go. And let's also kind of patch up this little vignettes here. Alright, let's close that off. Make this clean. Alright, let's continue. I'm gonna add a bevel emboss on screen to just give it more shape, I guess. And add a new inner shadow. Go for overlay. There we go. Another one. New one again. I'm going normal. Choke all the way up. Size down. There we go. Pretty clean. There we go. Very nice. This one I'm gonna copy and make this into. Let's go for screen. Turn on to go. Effects. Go Gaussian blur. Blur this out. Copy again. Make this into overlay. Alright, I'm gonna add this little live thing as well. I want to place it right here, so I'm gonna move the text actually to this side. Make this red, bold, and visible, easy to see. Go for live. There we go. Place it right here. Nice. Alright, that's cool. I could also add it kind of like a little live border as well. This is a thumbnail for his live stream, so I think this would really help attract people to click on the stream as well. So let's add this little border, let's place it right here. Drag it across and also paste it up top. Alright. Racing with viewers. Let's move the text down, and we also gotta adjust this part now. Live racing with viewers. I want to blur the background too. I think it's a bit too visible. Much better. Okay. And this could also be fixed a little bit. So let me quickly adjust these bars. That's cool. Yeah, I think that's fine. Now for some finishing touches, we could go into take everything, group, layer, go for image, and apply image. I'm gonna hit OK, copy, and we're gonna go into filter, camera raw filter right here. And this is where the magic happens. Let's go texture all the way up, clarity all the way up, and dehaze, some vibrance and saturation. I want to turn the exposure up. Alright, we're gonna go contrast, not too much, so we're just gonna drop it down a little bit. Alright. So we're just going to drop it down a little bit. Highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks right here. Details, turn this up. Details, sharpening, turn this up as well. Optics, vignettes. I don't think we need this. No. Alright. Cool. I'm gonna hit OK. And here is our finished product. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. Check out Vexlin's channel. We are also sponsoring him, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.